What's happening, everybody? What's going on? Today I wanted to make a really quick video talking about a common part that fails on the E46 and the E90 3 Series sedan. If this looks familiar to you, that's because you've probably purchased an E46 or an E90 and you had to struggle with cutting or removing rotten, rusty screws for the license plate mounts, so you could give the license plates back to the seller of the car. This item from BMW is about $48 plus some rivets and hardware. Brings this price to an amazing $50. So this is a Chinese version. I purchased this on Amazon for less than $10, I believe. Through Prime it was about $9 and like 89 cents, or something like that. Anyway, I will link that below. Now I typically don't recommend on this channel putting Chinese parts on your car. I'm sort of one to always say, you know, try to go with made in Germany. They have much better quality control and manufacturing standards, obviously, and somewhere like China. That being said, there's no need to spend $50 for a plastic license plate bracket like this one. So I purchased this $10 one to try out on my new E90, which needs one of these, and we'll go outside to the car, install it now, and hopefully it works out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.